Hi, this is Aki again from Aki's Garage. Welcome to another video. Video today is for Mercedes-Benz CLC180 compressor. So we go inside the car and we see what's the customer complaining. Alright, I'm inside the car. I put the ignition on and then ignition is on. Hold the brake and start the car. As you can see guys, I got ABS anti-lock brake system light on, and also I get another boring which is the ABS ESP on the LCD. So what I'm going to switch off the engine and just put the ignition on. I'm going to use my auto again today. So let's go to the Maxicom, and then from here we go to the Diagnostic, we go to the Mercedes. It's a little bit blurry. Let me just move it here. I want to say read. Okay, this is as 2008, but the car is 2011. So I press OK. I'll just do one full scan. Alright, so we go to see what's going on here. As you can see, the right rear wheel RPM signal, and this is on the ECM module, on the TCM transmission as well. As you can see guys, the rear right wheel RPM signal, and we go here on ESP, which is a electronic stability program. As you can see guys, is error is with the right rear sensor, right here speed sensor here, and that's SRS voltage. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go to ESP. I just say click here. Alright, so I'm going to go to live data. From here I go to the RPM sensors. As you can see guys, that's all the fork sensor. So each tire is got its own ABS sensor. So the rear right wheel sensor is going to be that one, the bottom one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going outside the car, just put the car on the ramp, and I just put on that one on the neutral, just right here, and then just get out the car. Now I got my Diagnostic with me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just leave my Diagnostic here for now. I'm going to lift the car up. Alright, so now I'm gonna start with the front passenger side tire. I just spin the tire by my feet. As you can see, I start with let's try again. I start with 7. Now I'm going other side. I'm on other side, the other side front tire. So I'm gonna spin the tire. As you can see, I start with 7/8, which is not bad. Yeah. Now I'm going to passenger side rear tire. Alright, so I'm going to spin it. Same again. You can see guys. Try again. Start with 7, and now I'm gonna go to the rear guide. I'm gonna try to spin the wheels. You can see, guys, it doesn't accounting from 7, it's just accounting from 1, which is very low. I think there is a problem with the sensor, or maybe there is a problem with the sensor, or maybe there is a problem with the actual what you call the ABS ring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch off the ignition and then lift the car up and try to do some diagnostic. Guys, I'm just under the car. I'm just doing one inspection to make sure everything is good. I can see this is the actual sensor, and this is a wire. It goes to the rear wheels. Alright guys, I just took the ABS sensor out. As you can see, guys, the condition of the sensor looks good to me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off. As you can see, the actual cable goes all the way down there, and it goes just right here, and this is the connection of the sensor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the sensor out and check it to see everything alright with the sensor. Oh guys, I just took the sensor out. As you can see, there is a corrosion, and the connection inside is just corrosion, and also I got corrosion there as well. Let me just see if I can zoom it. Oh guys, I disconnect the other side as well. You can see this side is the corrosion as well, even the actual lock. Let me just take it off from here, or maybe from here. Look at the corrosion here. So I think this is our issue. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to clean all the corrosion and try to clean that one as well, to clean as much as I can, and then plug everything back, and then we try again. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it like this, yeah, and then just try to clean as much as I can. Oh guys, I clean the actual connector for the other side, as you can see, and I clean the top one as well. Let me just show you guys. As you can see, I cleaned it as much as I could, but unfortunately the other sensor here, it was very bad corrosion, and I tried to clean it with this, and I noticed, let me show you guys, let me just get the torch, and I noticed one of the connector leg is just broken, and I can't use this one anymore. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to order another one, and I fit it with the new one, and we see how it goes. I have just received a brand new sensor. This is from APAC. It's very good make. I have used those in the past, and I never had any issue with it. Unless we take it off and we make sure it's all exactly same sensor. So right here, yeah, this is a sensor. It's exactly the right sensor. As you can see, guys, it's got two connection on it, and the other one, you can see one of the connections just gone. So I'm gonna read this sensor back and then try to see everything sorted. Alright, so I put the tire back. The actual sensor, as you can see, is going back to the wiring harness, so everything nice. I cleaned the connector, and also he had one missing tie clip here, so I just put that one back as well. So I'm going to bring the car down and I'm going to check the ABS sensor again, and should be everything good. Alright, I'm going to put the ignition on. Ignition is on, and let's go back to the live data. Let's go to the RPM, and then that was a rear right. I'm on the rear right. I'm going to just spin the tire. You can see now it's accounting much better. And then let's do the other side as well. Yeah, I do again. Yeah, this side is good. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to inside the car. So I'm going to just quick erase everything. Alright, it's all done here. Now I'm going to start the car. Start the car. As you can see, guys, there is no any more warning light. The ABS light is gone off. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna take the car for a test drive, make sure everything is alright, and then call to the customer to come to pick the car up. Yeah, that's another car destroyed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.